Altstore Pal now available. So pretty cool development for iOS, for iPhone. So if you probably have known that, iPhone iOS ecosystem is quite restricted and was quite closed. And there is only one App Store app, official App Store app, how you can get apps. So it's unlike on Android where there are some additional, Android official Google Play stores. But here's what it is. And now Altstore is available. This was provided as a result of lawsuit between Apple and Epic Games, something around that. And Epic Games actually kind of won that. And the result is that now there is an alternative app store for iOS. And now it's available. So basically, Apple approved alternative app marketplace in the EU. So it's an open source app store made specifically for independent developers, designed to address the problems many people had with App Store over the year. Basically, if you ever experienced issues with app reviews, this is for you. And yeah, so this is like open source alternative to App Store. There are some things you need to know how to install it. So basically you need to be physically located in EU countries, so no VPNs. You need to be signed into EU App Store account, so that's also that. And like EU, it means European Union. So for example, United Kingdom is not part of European Union. Norway is not a part. Switzerland not a part. So that's quite strict. And then you need to be using Safari web browser, so Safari, not Google Chrome. And then you need to have iOS 17.4 plus or iPadOS 18 plus. So quite new iOS system you need to upgrade. And then, you can just go tap download below, and marketplace installation alert will appear asking you to allow download from Altstore LLC. Open the settings app and there will be new option allow marketplace from Altstore LLC at the top under your Apple ID. Select allow. Return to this page, tap download again, and another prompt to install will appear. Then select install app marketplace. So that's basically what you have and how it works. So try it out. And then, there are a lot of apps which are not available in App Store, which you can now install on iPhone. However, obviously this marketplace is much less secure and you are risking quite a lot. I don't know, it can be quite risky, specifically with your data, with your finance data. And so just be careful.